Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova Y61 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code for it is *##225###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the about phone information. And the code for it is *##, 4 O's, ###. And as I said, here we've got the about phone information gathered in one place. So we've got the model, build number, the SID number, both email numbers, and so on and so on. So quite a technical code. And the other code which I would like to show you is the longest one, and it will kind of also open like information, project menu, and so on. So the code is *##2846579. So it's 2846579 ###. And as I said, we are in a project menu, so here you can check some kind of background settings, the near information, the battery charge, for example. Also, as you can see, you can check the level. You can check also the battery temperature if it is in the proper state. You've got the software upgrade, so you can upgrade the memory card. You can, let me get back. You can, as I said, check some kind of background settings, so you've got the USB port settings and so on. You can customize your device right here also. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Huawei Nova Y61. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.